If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To format either the chart area or plot area in Excel, choose either the chart area or plot area choice from the Chart Elements dropdown in the Current Selection button group on the Format Contextual tab in the ribbon, depending on which chart element you want to format. Then click the Format Selection button below the drop-down menu in the same button group. Alternatively, right-click either the plot area or chart area in the chart. Then select either the Format Chart Area or Format Plot Area command from the pop-up menu that appears as appropriate. Using either method then shows the Format Chart Area or Format Plot Area task pane at the right side of the screen respectively. In the Chart Options or Plot Area category, which appears at the top of the pane and is selected by default, click the Fill in Line, Effects, or, for chart areas only, the Size and Properties subcategory settings icon below the category to set its related options for the selected chart element. To change the text options for the chart area only, click the Text Options category link at the top of the pane, click the desired subcategory settings icon below it, and then change any subcategory options below that. The formatting options for the selected subcategory appear in collapsible and expandable lists at the bottom of the task pane. To expand and collapse the individual subcategory options, click the option titles. Then set any individual options as desired in the task pane to immediately apply those changes. When finished, click the X button in the upper right corner of the task pane to close it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.